Hello students, we read about simple sentence of chapter number 17, simple compound and complex sentences. Yesterday we read about simple sentence. As we know, simple sentence contains a subject and a verb, and it expresses the simple complete thought that can stand on its own. It's called a complete sentence, okay? And a positive simple statements is given in this sentence. And today we will read about compound sentence. A compound sentence is made up of two or more independent clause. A compound sentence is made up of टू और मोर इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज मीन्स इसमें टू भी हो सकते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज और मोर देन टू भी हो सकते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल द बॉय सिंग एंड द गर्ल्स dance. This is a compound sentence that made up of two simple independent clause. The boys sing, that is also a independent clause. The girls danced, that is also a independent clause. So this is a compound sentence that consists of two simple independent clauses connected by coordinating conjunction. And conjunction ने दो independent clauses को कनेक्ट किया है. द टू इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेज आर द बॉय सिंग, सेकेंड इज द गर्ल्स डांस्ड. Okay, so these independent clauses are called coordinating clauses, and the conjunction with add which they are joined is called coordinating conjunction. Okay, so you have to read about it. Compound sentence में दो independent clause भी हो सकते हैं and more than two भी हो सकते हैं. So for example, Hari went home and he took rest. Hari went home and he took rest. In this, first subject क्या है? Hari, and second subject क्या है? He. So we often write it as Hari went home and took rest. Hari के बारे में ये बात बताइए. Hari went home and took. ही को जब हम यहाँ से रिमूव कर देंगे, ही इज omitted and took rest. So and this is a two, these are the two independent clause, and he in this sentence, second number sentence, he took rest, he is omitted because he is used for hurry. Pronoun is used for noun. So we often write it as Hari went home and took rest. Okay, so and conjunction is the coordinating conjunction, and this conjunction is connected to two independent clauses. I hope you understood. Okay students, so you have to read about it, simple and compound sentence today, and tomorrow we will read about complex sentence. Okay, so you have to read page number 181 and 182. Okay students, thank you.